Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. 1, 2, woo-hoo. Today's tip is always get answers to your questions. And just to drive home the severity of this, but I'm going to give you a quote, right? The importance of always get an answer to your question. I'm going to give you a quote. It's a word of wisdom. It's a bitter pill to swallow, but it's an in-your-face quote that I got from one of our coaching clients over at Todd Walters Real Estate Coaching. His name is Nathan O'Reilly, my Irish brother from another mother. This is what Nathan said about the importance of getting an answer to your question. This is what he says, quote unquote, if you are not getting an answer to a question, you are basically openly telling someone that you are wasting their time. Like, if the question is not good enough to get an answer to, then you basically just told your buyer, yeah, I'm wasting your time. End quote. That's from Nathan O'Reilly over at Todd Walters Real Estate Coaching. This is the importance, the necessity. If you're going to ask a question, especially in a sales environment, get an answer. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, hit up cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great, because nothing else pays. And always get answers to your questions.